Okay, I'm going to make this very brief. Very, very brief. This is how you set your parameters. This is how you trade on Royal Q as a starter or a beginner. Go to your Royal Q app and click on it. When it opens, you go to quantitative. When you click on quantitative, you will always see USDT Binance balance. You will always know your balance in your Binance, which you are trading with. So here you have 220 USDT as your capital for trading. Now, assuming the signal you receive, like the signal we already trading, is we have CRV trading with USDT you have in your Binance. So you just click CRV. So when you click CRV, this page will open. So you go to trade setting, you click on trade setting, then you see where they put first buy in amount, 10 USDT. You can actually increase this to $20. You can increase the 7 times to 10 times. You can increase the profit margin from 1.5%, 1.3% to 1.5%. This whole position take profit callback, you can make it 0.1. Then this buy-in callback, you can make it 1%. Then you go to sub-position take profit callback, you make it 0.1% also. Then you see margin configuration. Click on margin configuration. This is where you set other further trading, which the robot will be buying for you subsequently as the coin price go down. It buy at a cheaper rate automatically without you worrying yourself. So since you set 1% over there, so here you set 1.2%, here you set 1.4%, here you set 1.6%, here you set at the fourth call, you set 1.8%. At the fifth call, you set 1.8%. At the sixth call, you set 2%. At the seventh call, you set 2.2%. At the eighth call, you set 2.4%. At the ninth call, you set 2.6%. And at the 10th call, you set 3%. Then in this area where you have 128 times, it's really too much. So reduce them to 1 time. Let it be buying at each stage, one time. It will buy deeper down than buying spread. So buying deeper down means you will be getting each coin at a cheaper rate when the price goes down. The robot will be buying a more cheaper price to counterbalance your first purchase. Okay, so this is how you maximize profit. Now when you are done with this, you click save and confirm, then you can now click on save. You see, I have saved it. So now you can trade this, and when you check, you see cycle. When you click one shot, it will turn to one shot. One shot is talking about after this trade bring me out, but cycle means after this trade, in case it come out, buy again, keep buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling. And that is one way to make profit. But there is something you do when you see that it's buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, and the price has come up. You can now turn it to one shot so that after that sale is out, so that you can be able to trade other coin. Okay, so when you have done this, you can now click on start. So when you click on start, you click on confirm, and the trade has begun. So when you screw up, you see that CRV is on cycle and is already trading for you. So you can see minus 0.03. So this is how it can stay enter profit. And when it enter profit, it gives you 1.5% of the amount you first buy. which is $20. It has bought $20. And when you click on this refresh here, you see that your balance in the Binance have remained $200, meaning $20 is on trading and 200 USDT is remaining. So this is where you watch to know how many times you enter trades. Okay, so that is how trading began. I want you to practice this and master it, especially the setting. So when you master this, you'll be using the same parameter setting to do every of your trades. And once you are done, you can off your data and continue with whatever you are doing. The robot take care of every other thing. Thank you.